shopping, we would have just left the dogs at home.
Yeah.
And they would just be like hours of, where are they?
Look, there's a rope.
But now they're like smiling.
Looks fun.
Zoom in on Oatmeal smiling.
Oatmeal, are you smiling? Huh? Oatmeal? Ready to go? Here we go. So that thing that plugs into my phone and then a USB. I bet I could take like photos and different things from this and just throw it on that USB. That way this doesn't get full of memory. I'm gonna try to upload everything to Dropbox. Come on, this way. Come on, come on. There you go.
Puppy stairs.
Steep puppy stairs. Don't fall. All right, we're good. All right, let's go this way. Watch your little self. There's some water there. Oh, yep, you probably smell some pee there. Come on. There we go. Whoa. I'm not sure how steep it looks on camera, but see that log in the water? Careful, monster. All right, let's go. Yep, nope. So I guess this is a garden, basically, right? This whole trail. So you have different, there's like different types of, hey, you want to come this way?
No different words and types.
Different types of,
Different species?
different species of insects.
Plants work the same way.
Yeah. You guys want to go for a swim? You'd probably freeze to death. Oh, that's really cool. That's kind of what he was talking about.
Yeah.
So if the sun is that way, so it's not really like, but it's like 40.
Oh no.
Oatmeal, what are you eating that for?
I eat garden grasses.
Come on. Is that, you said that's a nervous thing, right?
Yeah.
Oh, look, little monster's doing it too. Yep, and then you'll just barf it up.
I'll go back.
All right, let's go back. Yeah, those things are, ugh, get caught on a, here we go. Good girl. Let's cross this cool new bridge. It's a little oatmeal-sized bridge, specifically for him. We can call this bridge Oatmeal Bridge. So these are, you said these bamboo shoots are invasive. So, see it everywhere. Yeah. We don't want a bloody meal. We'll have to call you Blood Meal. until you heal up. And then you'll be called Heal Meal. Healed Meal. You guys are doing such a good job at staying on the trail. You only wiped out once. The road up there. We kind of stopped and turned around when we got to this point. Let's keep going. Should get some of those logs for firewood. I think those people that we just saw worked here. Well, who sweeps the... Here, let's go this way. Who sweeps the bricks? That guy was sweeping...
Some old people who come out here looking for...
Some old people that just...
smoke weed.
Well... No, he was just like randomly sweeping off the...
Watch a meal.
Yeah, meal. Mommy's... Come on. Wants to run, come on. Maybe we can go up this way. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Good doggies. Now be careful.
That's a spiky ass thing I almost grabbed.
Yeah, you almost grabbed a spike. Don't do that. It says stop. Private. Private property. Stop. Private property. All right, come on.
I think we have to go by those people again.
No, we don't. There was a turn off back there.